Have you ever wondered what it really takes to become mentally strong and fearless? What if I told you that true mental strength is not just about pushing through tough situations but about learning to thrive in them, no matter how many times you fall? Imagine developing the kind of unshakable mental resilience that allows you to stay calm, focused, and unstoppable no matter what life throws your way. What if I told you that you can achieve this, and in less time than you think? The truth is, becoming mentally tough and emotionally resilient isn't just for a few chosen people. Studies show that mental fortitude can be developed by anyone willing to put in the effort. According to psychologist Angela Duckworth, author of Grit, The Power of Passion and Perseverance, it's not talent that creates success, but perseverance and passion. You can start building your own mental toughness today, and the benefits will be immediate. A boost in self-confidence, a calm mind in chaos, and the courage to take on challenges that once seemed impossible. By learning how to become mentally strong and emotionally resilient, you unlock a powerful version of yourself that will not only handle adversity but will dominate it. Imagine facing problems at work, school, or in your personal life with the confidence and composure of someone who has trained their mind for success. You'll be able to face difficult situations with clarity, instead of getting overwhelmed or anxious. You will become the mentally toughest person you know. But first, let's talk about a problem that many of us face. Do you ever find yourself overwhelmed by stress? Struggling with anxiety or negative thoughts that keep you from moving forward? It's easy to feel defeated when everything seems to be working against you. Whether it's a challenging project at work, a difficult relationship, or just the constant pressure of daily life, staying mentally strong and emotionless is harder than it seems. You may feel like you just don't have the mental strength to push through. This is exactly where the analogy to Homura Akemi comes in. Like many of us, Homura faced an endless cycle of loss and hardship, yet she did not let it break her. Her resilience wasn't born out of circumstance. It was built through choice. Every time she failed, she learned, adapted, and became stronger. Homura's unwavering resolve to protect what she loved, despite the overwhelming odds, is a perfect example of what it means to become mentally strong and fearless. Now let's look at how you can develop this mental fortitude for yourself. 1. Embrace the struggle. Every obstacle you face is an opportunity to become mentally tougher. Homura's journey wasn't about avoiding pain, but about facing it and using it to grow. When you face challenges, ask yourself, how can I turn this into a strength? Instead of letting stress or adversity control you, take control of it. This is how you learn how to be strong mentally and emotionally. 2. Shift your mindset. Mental toughness comes from controlling your thoughts, not letting them control you. When negative thoughts arise, challenge them. Remind yourself that you are capable of overcoming anything. Becoming mentally strong and emotionally resilient means changing your mental dialogue from one of doubt to one of strength. 3. Patience is key. Building mental strength isn't something that happens overnight. Homura didn't become the strong person she was in one battle. She grew through countless cycles of hardship. Be patient with yourself. With each step you take toward becoming the mentally toughest person, you're moving closer to your goal. 4. Find your purpose. Just like Homura fought for what she loved, you must have a purpose that drives you. This purpose will help you keep going even when you feel exhausted. When you know why you're pushing through adversity, it becomes easier to stay mentally strong and fearless. The benefits of becoming mentally tough go beyond just surviving. They empower you to thrive. You will find yourself navigating life with a sense of peace, clarity, and strength. You'll make decisions faster, face fears head-on, and build resilience in the face of adversity. In other words, you'll be unstoppable. It's time to start building your mental strength today. Don't wait for the perfect moment because, like Homura, you can learn to face challenges, grow stronger, and come out on top. You just have to begin now. So, what's stopping you from becoming the mentally strongest version of yourself?